Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up Qemu or Qemu with KVM on Red Hat derivatives or Red Hat based distributions. We should run this command to check if we have if we have virtualization enabled on our CPU or if it's compatible. We grab vmx svm this, and we can see that we have vmx. The good thing about Qemu is that it is so much like the native way for virtualization, one of the native like things for Linux, since it's based or depends on KVM, which is kernel based virtual machine or KVM. So we run the next command, which is lsmod grep kvm, and we can see that this module, kernel module, is enabled. It should be. Next thing is we run this command to update the repositories on our system. The next thing is we install a bunch of packages, as you will see. Install Qemu kvm Yes, enter. Press Y here and enter. The installation is done. Let's clear out the screen, and then now we should start the daemon of libvirt. The daemon is libvirt. We can enable it. Run this command. Okay. So to test the configuration about Qemu, before that, let's make sure that we can access Virt Manager without needing password, which you can see here if you wanna see how it will be. We're asked for a password. That's because we need to be a part of the group. And to solve such issue, we should run this command. Here you put your user name. In my case, it's like this. Password, and then second username I have here should be like this. Okay. And as you can see, we are able now to create a virtual machine and run it successfully. No need to go any further with the virtual machine and the installation, it's a plain installation of Ubuntu server as I guess 22.04. I guess that's clear and sufficient to know how to install Qemu and KVM on Red Hat derivatives or Red Hat based distributions. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in similar content, please consider subscribing. If you have anything to say, comment it. Or if you wanna reach me out on the social media, they are in the channel description details. If you like the video, you can hit the thumbs up, or if you dislike, you can dislike the video. And cheers.